Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing of a new beautiful Mumsy Bub cover. This one I just got in the mail and I want to share. It is a Hobonichi Weeks cover, which is one of the new sizes that Mumsy Bub have just released in selected colors. As you know, I don't have a Hobonichi, but Natty Planning has just released inserts in the Hobo size / format. There are quite a few designs on the website, so I definitely recommend going to check those out if you want to try out the Hobonichi layout but you don't want to buy a Hobonichi. And also if you use a Hobonichi but you want some complementary inserts that fit your cover, Natty Planning is the way to go. So this is the beautiful cover I have that I want to share because I do want to try out some of the new inserts. You guys know I will be picking those up in my next order. And may as well have a cover, right? To go along with it. So here she is. This is obviously Lilac Mist, yet another one. I think I have nearly the whole set now. The same beautiful material that we are used to. This has a closing string, which is really nice. You have your elastic strings coming through the spine here, stitching all the way around. Then on the inside, it is set up so you can use it as an everyday carry / wallet, which is really, really handy. I really like that idea. You have 2 strings inside, which is awesome. So you can slip your Hobonichi cover in the back here. You have that nice tall horizontal pocket, so you can slip your cover in the back. You could use a string for it if you wanted to, but I don't think you'd need to. And then you have either 1 or 2 strings for additional inserts, which is really, really cool. You have the card slot at the back here, and then you have the windowed card slot at the front, along with 4 additional card slots, perfect for a wallet. And then you also have this secretarial pocket as well. Beautiful stitching all the way around the edge, as per usual. Lovely soft suede interior. A smaller version of their logo down the bottom here, which is really nice, and nothing on the back. Nice and streamlined. No reinforced spine, so this would take up very little space in your bag. Really, really handy if you want to combine your planner and your wallet in the one cover. So you could definitely also put a wallet insert in here if you wanted to carry coins. I'm sure a lot of people do still carry coins, so a wallet insert in here and your Hobonichi and maybe an extra insert would be absolutely perfect. Everything you need. So keep an eye out. I'm going to be getting some inserts, like I said, and some hobo kits and giving the format a go. I don't know whether I'm going to fall in love with it, but of course I have to try it. And I really like that this is a good way to try it out without, committing fully to the whole year in a Hobonichi. So that is all from me, just a very quick look. I will give you guys an update on how I am liking the format once I get the inserts, and you guys will probably see me do a little setup in this as well. So don't forget to use my code when you order. It will get you 10% off your entire order, which is really awesome. It's Danny10, and I will leave it in the description box along with a link to the shop. And there's also a discount for Natty Planning down there too if you want to grab some inserts to go with this. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.